welcome to Clark's Place. Just wanted to go through an adjustment on this Guns N' Roses LE game that we just recently got, and love the game. Really plays nice. It's beautiful. The spinner, which we've got a ball sitting there on it. I don't know if anybody else has this problem. It can get caught there, and you can really shake the game, and it'll usually tilt to try to get it out of there. But you can see this gets kind of loose. What we had originally was it used to get caught right here because this was low. So I adjusted it up, but it's actually up too far.
Yep.
To where it gets up here and it gets caught. So we're going to show you today how to adjust this spinner down. It's really pretty simple. So
all right, cool.
We'll pull this up.
You gonna take balls out?
Nope.
It's got the little flap deal.
It's got a flap that comes down.
Ain't that dandy? I forgot about that.
Keeps the balls from falling. So you can see this is a pristine, magnificent game.
Well, it's pretty new.
There's the screw I needed.
Okay.
So
good.
All
right, let's we'll get set in here, and then we'll get some tools out, and you'll show me how you made those adjustments. That'd be cool.
All right.
All right. He said you needed a 1/4 inch drill driver and a Phillips. And I'm pretty sure you have to get Milwaukee tools for this. No other tools will do this job. Milwaukee only. All right, what's next steps here?
All right.
Let's show us the Mac and then show us what you did to adjust it up.
We got both. You need a Phillips and a nut driver. I have one more screw to put in. This assembly here is the spinner, as you can see. There's some optos in there. What it's got is you hold this, unscrew this, that comes off, and then you adjust this, that adjusts up and down. So you got to go back. You might want to put your hand back there and feel that I go the right way.
It's come down a little bit, I think.
Okay, am I going up with it?
Yes, that's going up.
Okay, I'll come down.
So counterclockwise brings her down. It still needs to come down. I would say up. You just went too far down. Up a smidge. Okay, now let me spin it a little bit. And when it goes down, that's
pretty good.
That's pretty. Well, it kind of teeters. If it's perfectly flat, it's still up too far.
Okay, then I go back down a little more.
Right there. Yeah, okay. Should be fine.
And then you put the little lock. I mean, it's plastic.
I hope I filmed all that because I'm trying to feel.
And then tighten that, and we're good.
Okay, that.
Of course, it's going to be coming down because you're going to have the weight down. Because see, it still goes up and down a little bit.
Yeah, I think it's up a little too high.
Yeah, that's up too high.
So I'll actually film it this time. So what are you tightening? That whole assembly?
And then the shaft is threaded, and you back that down.
Okay.
Oh, it had to come down quite a bit.
Well, I don't want it to come down a ton to where the ball's catching inside it, like a trough, instead of a high tipping.
Okay, I think that's about it right there.
Okay.
And then there are only
that plastic goes back in and kind of locks that in the right spot.
Okay, then I have one more screw to put in the whole assembly, because I took it out originally to understand what it was doing.
And
there's one there, there's one there.
You lost a screw.
And
you got a screw loose, Clark. Well, everyone knows that.
Yeah. Okay, all 3 screws are in. Okay.
Lower down, let's see if it's back. I think it's just about perfect.
Okay, let me get a ball.
It has a little bit of a wiggle to it. I wonder if that's, normal.
I don't know. Okay, if it's coming down, yeah, see it tips it, but it can't get caught there. And here,
I wonder if there's something else wrong with that it's tippy like that. I don't know.
We can. Okay, let me see if it's caught there.
Boy, it's still catching.
Yeah.
Or it still can catch. Yeah, it's got to come down, Pop.
Yeah, it's still got to come down.
A little more.
Yeah, I see that. But yeah, look at the play in that. And it can come up and down.
Maybe there's something else that's not adjusted right.
So we need
something else we have to move. All right, taking it down further. All right, so where we're at to stop for a stopping point here.
As you can see, the play in this shaft, it allows it to go up and down because this won't tighten up. What happens is you try to tighten this, and on this side, we took the post off. Underneath here, there's a little recessed area, and as you're tightening, you can feel there's a screw head spinning underneath.
Or a nut that's
something
stripped out, or
could
something.
be a nut. But in order to get to that, this decal has to come off of there, because if we slice it, then you're going to have a bump there, and
I don't like it.
wasn't intended. So
for a $10,000 pinball,
yeah.
I don't want to have janky looking disc.
So Chris wrote to Jersey Jack, or posted it, whatever.
Wrote him, left a message, and emailed.
Yeah, but
and tech supported him.
It's the holiday, you know, Thanksgiving, so nobody's there. We'll try to revisit that Monday, and maybe they'll answer us by then.
Yep.
Hopefully they'll say, yeah, you got to peel that off. Here, we'll send you another sticker. That would be nice to do that. I'm sure that's something that they've encountered before.
Yep.
So hopefully that'll fix it.
You can get it level, but ours, I guess, with the plays that it has on it, it's been played enough that this has backed off and allows this to wiggle.
Right.
I don't know if you can see that better, side to side. But yeah, wiggly.
And up and down.
Yeah, well, if it tightened that down tight, then it wouldn't have that wiggle.
Right, because I can pull down on it, and it doesn't have the wiggle. But
yep. Well,
yeah, we can't have the ball.
Maybe one of our viewers, in the meantime, since I'm going to post this today, since it's a short video, maybe they'll say you can tighten that screw by holding something else that I don't know.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
And then we're going to go through and find out what we need to do the play field.
Doesn't look like the art is bad.
No, ours there's no bad art, but what we need to do to protect the posts, we'll do a separate video for that.
Upcoming videos.
Yep.
So anything else today?
That's it.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.